What kind of oil does a 2010 Wrangler take and what is the oil capacity? All 2010 Wranglers come with a 3.8-liter V6 engine. The 2010 Jeep Wrangler takes 5W20 oil. The oil capacity is 6 quarts and this amount is with a filter installed. Get the best synthetic oil, extend the life of your 2010 Wrangler's engine. Our Signature Series oil with a top-quality filter will allow you to drive up to 15,000 miles under severe conditions or 1 year, whichever comes first. You can also search for a top-quality filter for the Signature Series oil by visiting our site. You can search your specific Wrangler using our lookup guide for the best oil and filter. Check out these real testimonials. Visit searchforparts.com to search for high-quality synthetic oil, filters and oil change kits for any Wrangler or vehicle, or click the link in the description below.